Okay, 37 wants us to solve equations, so let's just do this. So I'm going to do them over here, right? So for A, we have 8A and A, that's 9A, right? Minus 3 equals, and then on this side we have 6A minus 2A, that's 4A minus 3, right? I can add 3 to both sides, right? And we get 9A equals 4A. Subtract 4A from both sides, and that gives us 5A equals 0. And divide by 5, right? And we get A equals 0. And we're done. Okay, for B, let me make some space. For B, we're going to multiply these out, right? So m plus 2 times m plus 3 is m squared plus 3m plus 3m plus 2m plus 6, right? And on the other side we have m squared and then minus 2m plus 2m minus 4. So like terms, we have m squared plus 5m plus 6 equals, these two cancel out, negative 2m and positive 2m, so equals m squared minus 4. Subtract m squared from both sides, and we're left with 5m plus 6 equals negative 4. Subtract 6 from both sides, and we have 5m equals negative 10, and divide both sides by 5, and we get m equals negative 2. Okay, for C, let me make some space. C, we have x over 2 plus 1 equals 6. Subtract 1 from both sides. X over 2 equals 5. Right, multiply both sides by 2. Right, and we get x equals 10 for C. And for D, let's make some space. We have 4t minus 2 plus t squared equals 6 plus t squared. So we subtract t squared from both sides. We have 4t minus 2 equals 6. Add 2 to both sides. 4t equals 8. And divide both sides by 4. And t comes out to be 2. And again, if this were a test, you would then take the 2 and substitute it in for t and make sure it works.